Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bagas Ardiyanto. I am from Mathematics Education Program Studi Faculty Teacher Training and Education, Tidar University. Here, I will present a simulation of learning about the material of root, power, and material of roots. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe this video. Happy watching and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. May we always be given health and blessing from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Before we starting today, let us pray first. Please let's prayer.
Pray start. Praying is finest.
Okay, thank you. Now we are present of attendance first. What is absent today?
Present ourselves.
Alhamdulillah, is present all. Because the learning that must be villages, so that to knowledge can be useful scan.
Amin. Ready, sir.
Okay. Now I want to check your spirit and concentrate before learning. Okay. I have some color. You focus to color, don't focus to writing. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. When I say 1, 2, 3, do you answer this color? Okay.
Green.
Okay.
Orange.
Okay.
Red.
That's okay. The good. The first material in this learning is power. Do you know about power?
Power is used when we want to multiply itself several times.
Okay, the good answer. Power in the case is used when we want to multiply a number by itself several times. Simply for. In this formula of the power is A upper B. A is called base or basis, and B is called index or exponent. And next, X in the table is the how to say power. Okay, in this shape we say x square. In this shape we say x cube. In this shape xn we say we can shape in this x to the power n, x to the n, x upper n, and x plus y in bracket square. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Next, laws for powers. Laws for powers for equal exponent. First laws for power. A times B is in bracket upper n is equal to A upper n B upper n. Okay. Product raised Pn exponent is equal to product of factor raised P sum exponent. A divided by B in bracket upper n is equal to A upper n divided by B upper n. Okay, for equal basis. And the second law for powers. A upper m multiplied by A upper n is equal to A upper m plus n. The product of two powers which equal to the basis raised to the sum of the two exponents. When expression with the same base are multiplied, the indices are added. How can we cite these rules? Okay, to the communication, we do together to say about this. Okay, three law for powers. A upper m
upper m
in bracket upper n
in bracket upper m
is equal to
is equals to
A upper m times n.
A upper m times n.
Okay, exponent of powers equals to the values raised to the product of the two exponents. It is three laws for powers. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, we will try to the practice the example. 3 upper 4.
3 upper 4.
Okay, the goods mana? Emitted. Okay. 4 3 in break upper 4.
4 3 in break upper 4.
Okay. X upper 7
X upper 7
divided by X upper 3.
X upper 3.
Okay. 11x
11x
in break upper 0.
upper 0.
Okay. Untuk example 5 upper 13
5 upper 13
divided by 8 upper 11.
8 upper 11.
Okay. Okay, next I want to ask you to work this card. Okay, I have two card in this card is a question. Now to you to work and to say about this card. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. The first card is
8 upper 4 is divided by 8 upper 11 is equals to 8 upper 3rd.
okay. It's the good. Thank you. And this the second card is
A upper n is equals to fraction 1 or upper n.
okay. Thank you. Do you understand about the material powers?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Next, we to learn about the material of roots and radical. Now, do you know about the roots?
I don't know.
Okay, we do together about root. Root is inversion of the exponentiation. Okay. The root r of n is equal to b b upper n is equal to r. Okay. Do you understand about this?
Yes, understand.
Okay. The root r of the root n of r. Okay, this n roots of r is called radical expression or radical form because it contains a root. The radical expression has several parts. The radical chain or shape, in this shape, okay? The radicand or the entire quantity under the radical chain. The index is or the number that indicates the root that is being taken. Example: cube root of plus b. Okay, plus b is the radicand. 3 is the index. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, next. The radicand expression can be written in exponential form, power with factorial exponents. Example, n root of x is equal to x upper 1n. Okay, so the laws of powers can be used in the calculation roots. Example, n root of a times b is equal to, okay, did you imitate? Okay, a times b
A times b
in break upper 1n
upper 1n
is equal to
is equals to
a
a
upper 1n
upper 1n
b
b
upper 1n
upper 1n
is equal to
is equal to
n root of a
n root of a
times n root of b.
n roots of b.
Okay, a number is said perfect square. In this number is can we set the perfect square. Its roots are integers. Roots of 25 is equal to 5. Now, this is a perfect square. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. In this table, we how to solve the root radical. Okay. In these shapes, root x is square root of x or root of x cube root of v. In this shape, and root of z. Okay, and the finish 5 roots of pause x square times v cube or 5 roots of x square times v cube in break. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. In this square root, the square root is in simplest form if root is simplest. Okay. Is the radicand does not contain perfect square other than 1. B. No fraction is contained in radical. C. No radical appear in the denominator of a fraction. We need a example. Okay. Root of 24 is simplified root of 4 times 3, where 4 is the perfect square. We can simplify the radical into 2 root of 6. Okay. Next, a radical and a number is called a binomial. The conjugate of binomial is another binomial with the same number and radical. but the sheet of second term is changed. Okay, we the example 2, you imitate. Okay, 2
2
plus
plus
root of 6
root of 6
is
is
2 binomial,
2 binomial,
and
and
the conjugate
is
2 minus root of 6.
root of 6.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, then the practice in this material, I have a 2 card. Okay, I want you to ask to work in this card. Okay, in this first card is the root of 24.
Root of 24 is equals to root of 4 times 6. Because 4 is the perfect square, we can simplify the radical into 2 roots of 6.
Okay, the good answers. Okay, in the second card is do you know how to say about this radical?
Root of x upper 2 plus y upper 2 is equals to.
Okay, the good answers. In this material, about roots. You understand about material roots?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that is the reading material on this day. Hopefully, the material that we discussed today is for learning to be covered sample here. Let's not study the math. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.